If you are looking for easy profit, you can say that it is in today's video. And if you are looking for free profit without capital, you can also say that it is in today's video, even if it is guaranteed by the site. The site is guaranteed. The site is reliable and has been operating for a long time. It does not need you to pay any money from it. Other than £1, and God willing, you will easily withdraw your profits to your wallet without any conditions. Final 0 conditions. Of course, you will find the website link in the video description. When you go to the page, you will click on start making money. Very, very excellent. Guys, this page will open with you. Here, you will write username here. Your email here is the password. After that, you click on sign up. It is very, very excellent. Guys, the main page of the site will open in front of you in this way. If you notice, you will find here something called the user and something called the advertiser. We will work on the user box, which is the advertised profit box. This is the box for the person who wants to work an advertisement on the site, but we left in the field the user, which is the user who wants to earn with us. Here are 3 very important things. First, the rating, which is your rating, your level, or your experience inside the site. I am here at level 71. After that, you have the speed. If you will take $1 for important, no, you will take them $2, meaning your profit will be doubled. In other words, let us go back to the main language of the site. Stay with me so that you know how to work on the first site. I forgot to tell you about this. Guys, it is about time. This time must always be sure that it exists. It is not useful. It decreases until it remains 0, because any profit you will make will not be counted for you. This time must always be running. Okay, how can it be running as long as you are active on the site? As long as you are working on the site, this time will be running. So you must make sure that it is running. Okay guys, the first way to make a profit is this. The site is for watching videos 1, 2, 3. You have 3 videos to watch. If you click on this video, it tells you to wait 20 seconds or watch 20 seconds of the video. In a simple way, we wait 20 seconds and it takes a small amount of the dollar. We agreed that these sites will make their profit. A little, but with simple work. I don't do anything that I can earn. For example, you will earn $10, $12, $99, $8 per week for a start. Without effort, you have not done anything. You are not losing. On the contrary, you are gaining. We took this small amount in 20 seconds. We close like this. I have 2. Video also, I will never step on them. Like this. I will also play the video. It is very excellent. I took this value from the amount, I close it. That's it. I don't have any other videos. So I will go to the second method to profit from the site. The second method is this extension that you install on your computer or install on the browser that I'm going to say. You have it now on your mobile phone. Of course, you will click on the extension like this. You have Google Chrome, Yandex, Firefox, and Opera. Of course, this Yandex is an application. Download it on your phone. Go to Google Play and search on Yandex browser. You will download and open the site through it. You will be able to install this extension on it. What is this extension? Guys, it will appear to you like this in the browser after you type it. The method you see is that there are visits to a website that includes watching videos and watching videos of another kind. I'll select the first option and click Start, opening the website. The required duration on this site is the one displayed. 30 seconds that opened in front of me. Guys, of course, this will be through the extension. You are required to install this extension on your browser if you are working from a computer, even if you are also working from a mobile phone. Time is up, mate. Guys, he told me that the visit has ended, or the amount of time I spent on the site is over. I start clicking on extension again, and I click on another site or another advertisement, and he starts telling me to wait 60 seconds and start working or earning from the site. The value he is telling me about is as you are. You see, I'm waiting for this period, or 20, great job everyone, time's up and I earned this amount of money. Same story. I want to keep going. I start moving. Here and clicking on watching the ad. I will still choose to watch the video. I will start clicking like this. It will open a video with me. Guys, stop the sound and start clicking on it. Play, and it says, to me, do not stop the sound. It is present and wait for 20 seconds. Very excellent. Guys, we have seen the video. We stop like this. Okay, and close the video. We have seen this value or we have earned this value, and so on. Guys, with the same story, you will see a second video. We may also watch this video and play like this. You guys see that I start watching the video. I also wait for these 20 seconds until the time runs out, and then I am done taking the profit from the site. As you see that the time has passed and I earned this amount from the site in a very simple and very easy way. Of course, as you can see from time to time, the extension that I deleted it, and it appears to me that a new task has appeared for you. I click like this and it will tell me what the new task is. Of course I do. I hope it is fine. It will tell me, for example, that there is a video on a site that I want to visit. This is the main page where your profit appears, your experience and what you did today, and your statistics and everything. Of course, what a banner. You must do this. Do not close it. If it is locked like this, do it if you have a new task or a new task came to you. This is the reaction to it. This show banner, guys, while you are browsing the internet in general. For example, on YouTube, on Facebook, advertising banners appear here. You earn from them without any intervention. just an appearance. The ad is in front of you just because it appears in front of you. You earn from it without any interference from you, okay? Let me open these notifications, guys, and you will find something here called Collect Reward. I took 50 experience or an hour. I will start clicking like this on Collect Reward. It tells me to choose between an hour. What is the hour and the experience? This is because your profit increases by the hour. Any income that comes to you is calculated for you and is not deducted from you. I mean, I am here for 17 hours. Okay, do you want an extra hour or do you want more experience? I tell him no. You should choose what you see. He wants experience. Or I want an extra hour of experience for the sake of profit. My friend is Yazid, so I will choose what I want. And after that, see, I don't want what? Cancel what? I will cancel the hour. Then I will get 50. Cancel the experience. Then I will cancel the hour to get 90 experience. Sorry, and I click on OK. Very excellent. You took 90 points of experience as usual. You see this? I have 585 experience points. Increase my profit by 3% to the income. This means that what I take will increase by 3%. So this is the difference between this period and the experience. So your profit increases for the period. Anything you achieve, any profit you achieve will remain retained if there are referrals that come. For you, your profit will remain. Okay, guys, these are achievement competitions. Anything you achieve, you get an extra experience. I mean, for example, here, if you watch 20 videos, it takes 0.1 speed, and it also takes an additional 10 hours. Here, if you visited 10 websites, it takes 8 extra hours. If you have 250 banners appearing in front of you, it will take 6 more hours. Because I saw 40 banners in the last 24 hours, it gives me 0.1 speed and I give me 6 more hours. Of course, every time you reach one of these goals, your prize money will start. Make an advertisement. This is the case if you want to make an advertisement. On the site, if you want to advertise your budget or money for referrals, that's what referrals are. Work with friends and followers. With them. The link will start. You will start clicking on the link, stepping on the setting, and go down to the bottom, clicking on the promo. This is a referral link for people who will work from the site. And these are banners. If you would like to place the banner on your site, we will go back to the control center. So guys, what are the methods of withdrawing from the site? If we clicked on the withdrawal and came like this on the Ani system, choose the method you want. Have Payeer, you have QEWE, you have UMoney, you have WebMoney, you have FaucePay, and you have Serve.pay. But we withdraw and it is easier and better on Payeer, and it is available in the minimum withdrawal is 3 cents. In many countries they say you can't withdraw without having it. You only have a cent to withdraw from this site. It is better, of course, that you reach $1, $2. Withdraw your money now. Is the banner appearing below me? It renews automatically, and I take this value. This means that when the coffee runs out, it starts to credit me. This value is easy to see. We explained everything on the site. Leave any questions in the comments. See you in a new episode. Thank you. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you.